Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. In today's video, we're talking about a brand new emergency update for Windows 11 25H2. And this one is actually important. Because if you've been having trouble signing into Microsoft apps, this update might be the fix you've been waiting for. So here is the situation. Microsoft has just pushed out a critical cumulative update for users running Windows 11 25H2 and also 24H2 main release. This update comes with the build number 26,200.8039. And the key thing here is this is not optional. Most users are receiving it automatically through Windows Update, even without manually checking. But just to be sure you are up to date, here is what you need to do. Go to Settings, go to Windows Update, and turn on this toggle. Get the latest update as soon as they're available. Then click Check for Updates. If your system hasn't received it yet, it should show up. Now let's talk about the main reason this update exists. After installing updates released on or after March 10, 2026, some users started facing serious issues. Even with a working internet connection, Windows would show a no internet error during sign-in. And because of that, users were unable to access Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, other Microsoft services. Basically, anything that requires a Microsoft account login was affected. And yeah, this is a big deal, because it completely blocks access to essential apps, especially if you rely on Microsoft services for work or daily use. In fact, I personally encountered this issue on one of my machines. Now here is something important. This issue only affects Microsoft account sign-ins. So if you're in a business or enterprise environment using Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure, you likely won't experience this problem. If for some reason you haven't received this update automatically, you can install it manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Just open a browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. And here is the link. Open it. Don't worry, the link will be given in the description. And now here in the search box, search for KB5085516 and click on search. And here we go. Choose the correct version. x64 for most users like Intel or AMD, and ARM64 if you're using ARM-based devices. And make sure you match your Windows version. 26,200 for 25H2 and 26,100 for 24H2. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about Windows 11 Emergency Update. If you're facing sign-in issues, install this update as soon as possible. If not, still update, because this fix is critical. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab with notification turned on, so you don't miss any future Windows updates, fix, or deep dives like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.